What you got? Are you going to put the bottle in your mouth? Whoop.
She's like,
Almost. She's got the idea though. It's good. She's like, I'm going to get it in there somehow. She's going to use her feet. Use two hands. Use both hands.
Are you
Good
recording
job.
it?
Yeah. Use both hands. And feet. Oh, it's so close. You can do it. I love how she uses her feet too. Are you getting frustrated? Come here. Yeah.